Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add Shopify apps. So first go to shopify.com and choose your store. Now over here on the left side you can see app option. Click on add apps, and when you scroll down you can see Shopify App Store. Click on there. And from here you can choose any of the app that you would like to install. So I'm going to just add this Shopify email. So click on add app, and now you have to authorize. Let's click on install app, and that's it. It's quite simple step to add application in Shopify. So app has been already installed, and let's go and check this. There you go. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.